guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is what, anyway, welcome back to the channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, anywhere you are in the world. Welcome back to Sophia's space. Okay, so it's a vlog, it's a vlog, it's a vlog, it's a vlog. Thank you all my amazing new subscribers. You're highly welcome to my channel. I do hope you will enjoy watching my vlogs just like we enjoy watching my shopping hauls. Okay, thank you all my amazing wonderful returning subscribers. Thank you all my amazing members. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Okay guys, so it's like a kind of a weekend vlog. Today is Saturday 10th of June. Okay guys, yeah, so I'm just starting the vlog. I was going to start it yesterday Friday, like a weekend vlog, but because I was going to work and I'm tired, I just came back from work now. Okay, so let's just dive right into this vlog. I'm going to carry you guys along my day. Today Saturday and tomorrow Sunday. I may not vlog much today Saturday, but enjoy the vlog. Okay guys, so guys, amazing flower. I want to show you guys this beautiful flower. Okay, so this is real flowers. This is a real what do you call this one again? It smells so nice. Lily. Okay, yes, that's lily, the white one. It smells, in fact, it makes my kitchen smells amazing. Okay, so these are fresh flowers. You can see there's water in the jug. So they are fresh flowers. It was given to my daughter for her birthday. Okay, it was my daughter's birthday on Thursday. Okay, so she turned 19. Yeah guys, so the flowers were given to her by my mom. Okay, and she got her other gift as well. But this lily smells nice. I know that lilies normally smell nice. This one smells so good. Okay, but if you are allergic too much to flowers, you might not be able to withstand it because you will be sneezing. I'm kind of hay fever, but this one is not making me to sneeze, which is good. Yeah, so I just thought I will show you guys these beautiful flowers. Okay, to beautify your day as well whenever you're watching this vlog. So it's very pretty on my table, on my dining table. Yeah guys, okay, so I just came back. As I said, I'm going to do a little bit of washing dishes, a little bit there, and then I think I'm going to go and rest a bit. So whenever I come back from work, I just came back, I told you guys, from 12 hours job. Whenever I come back from work, the first thing I do is to tidy the kitchen, because my children and my husband, they don't tidy the kitchen. They normally just leave everything for me. I don't know why. Sometimes they do it, but most of the time they leave it for me, even if I talk from now till tomorrow. They will just come and do a little bit so that mommy doesn't talk. Don't want mommy to talk. Let's just go and do a bit. They will just do a bit and leave the rest. Because all these spoons and clean dishes, they're supposed to have sucked them yesterday while I wasn't here, but they've left it for me. Now I'm doing it. Even though I'm tired, I want to sleep because I'm going back to work. They've left everything for me to do, so I have to do it. I have no choice. If you happen to be like me, who can't just walk past death, then this is exactly what happened. Because I can't walk past it. I find it hard to walk past it. Once I enter my house and I see somewhere is dirty, immediately my first instinct is to take the dustpan and brush and sweep it. If I see the table is not looking okay, I just want to clean it. No matter how tired I am, I just want to clean it so it's looking at least some cleanliness before I go and sleep. If not, to be disturbing my head, I don't even know why. That's what my husband always said. That I was telling him that I want to go home and go and sleep. I'm going home to go and sleep. It's like, are you sure you are going to sleep? He said, are you sure you are going to sleep? Are you sure you're not going to find some flies to kill before you sleep? That's what you always say. They will say like, you haven't finished killing all the flies and cockroaches. Are you sure you want to go and sleep? You that I know very well. Because he knows that I must do something first. I must either clean, cook, talk first or something before I go and sleep. So he's like, I will be very happy for you if you go straight to your bed and sleep. Why me, I will just be laughing. Because he already knows that I'm not going to just come home and then go and sleep straight away. He knows that I will definitely do something. I must find something to do first. Oh my god, I'm so used to it. Like, if I don't do it, it's like I'm not even myself. So that's what I'm doing. This is my flax that I take to work. This flax is very good though. I bought it second hand, very cheap but very good. I don't even think you can find this particular flax anymore. And if you do find it, to be very expensive. I bought it second hand. I don't know, it's a very good flax. This is the name of the company on it. I don't know if anybody knows this particular brand. It's very, very good. Considering the fact I don't know, maybe I'm the second or third person using it, I don't know. But it's really good thermal flax. The inside is stainless steel as well, the outside is stainless steel. And I bought it, I think I bought it £3. Yeah, I think I bought it either £2 or £3, you know. And I've been using it I think I bought it around 2018. I've been using it ever since then. Whenever I'm going to work, or if I'm going somewhere that I require tea, I just use it. I think I'm going to see if I can eat first. I still got some pots there to wash. Well, I don't know if I'm going to wash those pots right now. Or maybe I'll just wash them. Maybe I should just wash the pots before I go to sleep. When I was coming from work, I was saying to myself, I'm not going to eat, I'm just going to go and sleep. But I know that once I go and sleep, wake up, it means I'm not eating until tomorrow. Because I'll wake up, get ready and start going to work. But I'll take tea. Okay guys, I finished. In fact, I did more than what I'm supposed to do. I've done some laundry, I'm washing some, I'm about to eat. Okay, yeah guys, and this is like 10 o'clock and I got here to 9. I think 8:40 something. And I'll be doing cleaning, laundry. I did just want to take you guys along because the video, I don't want the vlog to be too, it's a weekend vlog, I don't want it to be too over long because tomorrow I have other things to do as well. Tomorrow is Sunday. So I just thought I'll show you guys my food that I want to eat this morning. Yes, I don't care. I just want to eat this, that's it. I know it's not your typical breakfast. It's not your typical breakfast, but that's what I'm eating because I know I'm not eating anymore for the day. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys my food and then I'm going to go upstairs and upload my vlog. There's a vlog I'm going to upload which you guys are going to see before this vlog. Okay guys, so I've washed my hair, take it out. I need to make it. So let's show you guys my food. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe, please. It's free. All these things are free. Okay, guys, thanks so much as you do so. Okay, guys, this is not your two pickle breakfast. So I got some peanut butter soup or peanut soup, some rice, sweet potato. Yeah, that's what I'm eating. Yeah, guys, I think I mistakenly changed the setting of my camera. That's why the lighting, I don't know if the lighting is okay, but anyhow. Yeah, guys, so that's my breakfast, and I got my gallon of water there. That's what I'm eating right now. Catch you guys later. Let me enjoy my food. Come and join me. Catch you guys later. Okay, guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Sunday. I just finished from work. Okay, so I'm going to go home. I'm vlogging on my camera, so I don't think I'm going to be able to drive with it because there's no place to put it. Okay, but welcome back to this weekend vlog. So today's Sunday. I have a lot of cooking to do today. Today we're not celebration. It's my daughter's birthday on Thursday, but I said I was going to make some rice for her today, and I got her a small cake. Okay, it's a bit dark, guys, because I'm under a tree, so, and I'm in the car, so that's why the thing is a bit, the camera is a bit showing dark shadows. Okay, guys, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this my weekend vlog. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like the same thumbs up. Okay, guys, yeah, so today is cooking. Today's Sunday is cooking, resting, because tomorrow I'm off tonight, but I'm working tomorrow again. But it's just going to be a weekend vlog, so I'm going to try and end the vlog today, but I'll carry you guys along my day to this Sunday. Okay, guys, so enjoy. I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Right, guys? Okay, guys, I'm home now. I've already started cooking, but I'm mainly cooking my proteins for now. Okay, so today is Sunday, as I said earlier on. Yeah, so it's like a Sunday reset. I'm cooking for the week. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you guys what I'm cooking, but I won't be doing a lot of talking during the cooking time. But let me show you guys my proteins first, because I'm cooking different type of things. Just keep watching to find out what I'm cooking in this video. Okay, guys, or in this vlog, weekend vlog. All right, guys, happy Sunday to you all. Hope you're all having an amazing Sunday. Okay, in UK here, I came back from work. I'm not going to church because I have to cook. I have other things to do. Tomorrow I'm back to work. Okay, yeah, guys, so cooking. Show you guys my protein first, then along the video you guys will get to find out what I'm cooking. Okay, you'll see what I'm cooking. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. And it's summer here, it's very warm, hot. All right, guys, thank you so much for the thumbs up and for subscribing. Thank you. So, guys, we have our meat here, goat meat here, boiling. In here I have cow skin boiling. I have some cooked chicken bed, whatever you call it, there already grilled. I have smoked turkey here, which I just want to smoke a bit more, so I want to put in the oven. Okay, I have other type of this one is a bit softer. This cow skin is a bit softer, that's why I'm not cooking it. But once this one here is cooked, I'm going to add it. And then I also have some stock fish here. I just soak it in hot water before I will add it to the cow skin that is cooking. I want to clean the back. I don't want any scale, because this one has a bit of scale at the back. Okay, so yeah, I got some okra, some spinach there. That's me cooking for now. Okay, guys, just keep watching, stay tuned to find out what I cook in this vlog. I'm cooking different type of things, so stay tuned and enjoy the vlog. guys, my fried rice is ready. Fried rice ready. So I'm going to be making my soups now. Please don't forget to give it with a thumbs up. Coconut fried rice is ready. Nice to cook the rest of the food for the week. There you are. Voila, ready. Okay guys, so I'm making egusi soup. I'm just trying to dissolve the egusi in this meat. This is the meat stock I'm using. So I'm going to be making egusi and ogbono. I'm going to add okra into the ogbono. Okay, so this is just the egusi, guys. I have to boil it in a low heat so that it doesn't get burnt. But I'm trying to dissolve it first. I'm going to be adding some mushroom into this my egusi, and I'm going to be using spinach, frozen spinach and chestnut mushroom. That's what I'm going to be adding to it. For now, I need to cook it in a low heat so it doesn't burn. And I'm going to be adding palm oil to it. Okay. So I'm cooking it in a low heat while I try to dissolve it first. Yeah guys, so that's the next thing I'm cooking. The fried rice is done. You guys seen it already. So this is for the, that is going to be for the ogbono with okra. Okay. So yeah, that's what is happening. Okay guys, I have locust beans here, which I'm adding to the egusi soup, and the okra with, well, it's actually ogbono soup. I just had a bit of okra to it, but it's actually mainly ogbono. It's just a little bit of okra I added to it. And this is locust beans, fermented locust beans, but me, I like to wash mine. I know there are some people who are like me as well. I like to wash mine. Yeah. So I'm using locust beans for this soup. The only problem with this locust beans sometimes, it takes time to clean it too. Yeah. It's not easy to clean sometimes, I have to clean. It can be tiring because I'm trying not to put the skin, which is the black one. Trying not to put it, but some are definitely going to go inside. I've tried and clean it as much as I can. I know, I don't think you're supposed to really clean it that clean. But me, yeah, it has to be clean. The smell of it can chase someone away. Yeah guys, so that's what I've blended some already. I blended some with crayfish and pepper, fresh pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper rather. that I added already to both of the soups. So this is Sunday resets. Okay, today is Sunday 11th of June, if I have not mentioned it already. So today is cook. Okay guys, so that is my okra, well, mono soup rather. I added a bit of okra. It's sliming already. And then I got the egusi here. I'm going to be adding spinach to both of them. That's how the egusi is looking like for now. I'm going to be adding red palm oil. I'm also going to be adding mushroom to it. So this is the mushroom. This is chestnut. Is it chestnut mushroom? Something like that. It's very nice with egusi. You can give it a try if you like mushroom. So I'm cooking it on a low heat so it doesn't get burnt. Then later I'm going to add spinach to both of them. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. Okay guys, so that's my dry, or shall I say my grilled goat meat, which I'm going to be putting in the egusi. So the egusi I've put some palm oil, I've added the mushroom, added some cow skin, cooking it on a very low heat. So I'm just going to be putting some goat meat inside the two of them. You see my egusi is looking yum. I'll show you guys when I finish cooking it. Okay, I'm just adding more meat, more goat meat to it. Okay, and then I'm going to be adding some to the ogbono. You guys can see it's drawing very well. I've also added cow skin to that as well. So I'll add a bit of this and the protein, and I'll show you guys when it's done. Alright guys, that's my egusi soup. It's looking beautiful, yummy, delicious. Tastes really good. I wish you were here to taste it. So that's my egusi soup for the week. This is going to be more than 1 week soup. Yeah, it's boiling away. That's my egusi, and here is my ogbono, which is slimy soup, ogbono and okra. There's more of ogbono, just a little bit of okra anyway. Well, here it is. Let's zoom it in so you guys can see. Yep, that is the ogbono soup sliming away. That's the egusi soup boiling away. Okay guys, so I'm going to make my remaining soup, which is tomato stew, and I'll show you guys everything when they're all ready. That's it. Okay, alright guys, I'm cooking my stew with red palm oil. Okay, just going to add a bit of salt. I normally like adding salt first before any other thing. Okay, enjoy this cooking process.
Under the heat, I fly with the breeze around you. They use one hand to eat, use one hand to fly to stay, to take them away.
I never throw the food away.
No. It's part of the system.
I know. These ones that we just run, leave their food for the fly.
Ah. This one they will abandon food.
That's what I'm saying. They will leave food for fly, we fly it. Oh my gosh.
Let me tell you about that. Now,
it's nice. It's very nice.
You are madam of tasting.
It's nice. Try it.
Like
it's limited edition. Try it. Alright guys, I finished cooking for the week. See, we got fried rice which we've nearly finished eating. We have our egusi soup here. This is our stew. We have our bono soup there. Okay, that's just the pot I need to wash. Yeah guys, that's all I've cooked for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe please. And that's how my weekend was spent. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.